Honorable Member Sagarika Ghosh.
Respected Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, on behalf of the All India Trinamool Congress, I rise to speak on the Tribhuvan Sahakari University Bill 2025, which seeks to establish the Institute of Rural Management at Anand, IRMA, as Tribhuvan Sahakari University, or India's first national cooperative university. The government has suddenly remembered the enormous contributions that IRMA and the cooperative movements have played in Gujarat. But why is the Modi government trying to rewrite history? The recognition of respected Sri Tribhuvan Das Patel is good. But in full-page advertisements released by Amul, there is one glaring omission. Why is the government reluctant to honor the giant who founded IRMA in 1979, built and nurtured IRMA, and whose legacy shaped Amul and the milk revolution in Gujarat and India? I refer here, sir, to India's milkman, father of India's white revolution and founder of IRMA, Dr. Verghese Kurian. Why is Dr. Verghese Kurian's name missing from this university? Why? The reason why this government is not recognizing a pioneering son of India and dedicated servant of the people like Dr. Verghese Kurian is because he never became part of the BJP ecosystem. Dr. Kurian staunchly believed that if universities have to become excellent, they need to be above all autonomous. In his lifetime, he had been outspoken on refusing to let the BJP government meddle in IRMA. I ask a question of this government, sir. Is the government finding it difficult to give due credit to Dr. Kurian because Dr. Kurian belongs to a minority community? Is that the reason this government is not honoring Dr. Verghese Kurian? Why do you demonize people from a minority community?
Honorable members.
Yes, sir.
It is now 6 p.m.
Yes, sir.
If the House agree, we may sit beyond 6 p.m. today till the disposal of Tribhuvan Sahakari University Bill 2025. Do I have leave the House to extend sitting beyond 6 p.m.? So House will continue now, ma'am.
Why do you demonize people from a minority community? Of the 54,000 educational institutions run by Christians, about 75% of those students are non-Christian. They are Hindu, they are Muslim, they are Jain, they are Sikh. Instead of targeting minorities, when will we learn to acknowledge their stellar contribution in all walks of our national life? Gujarat was Dr. Verghese Kurian's karma bhumi. He lived all his life in Anand, building 17 major institutions, including the NDDB or National Dairy Development Board. But what did the BJP do? 6 years after the death of this great son of India, the BJP in Gujarat accused Dr. Kurian of donating Amul's profits to missionaries for religious conversion. How very sad, sir. How very sad. Sri Tribhuvan Das Patel set up the Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union. But who changed the destiny of milk cooperatives? Who brought all milk cooperatives together? Who helped set up Amul, AMUL, Anand Milk Union Limited? It was Verghese Kurian.
Kindly authenticate.
Amul ushered in an economic and social revolution. One line, one can, one vote, said Dr. Kurian. All milk producers, irrespective of caste and creed, would stand in one line, pour milk into one can, and each would have a vote. That was the egalitarianism. The milk revolution was a revolution in egalitarianism and social equality. It was Verghese Kurian who resigned from the Indian Institute of Management, IIM Ahmedabad, because he did not believe that government subsidies should go to training managers who would then work abroad in multinational corporations. He founded the concept of the barefoot manager. He created the concept of rural management. That is how IRMA was born. It is a brainchild of Dr. Verghese Kurian. Mr. Respected Tribhuvan Das Patel and Dr. Kurian enjoyed a father-son relationship. Sir, today, Mr. Verghese Kurian's daughter calls Tribhuvan Das Patel Kaka. Tribhuvan Kaka is what she calls him. They had a father-son bond. It was Tribhuvan Das Patel who pleaded with Dr. Kurian to stay on in Anand and build the milk cooperative with new technologies, new machines. History did not start in 2014, sir. The cooperative movement was built decades before Narendra Modi became Chief Minister of Gujarat. There is a long line of the great Nehruvian nation builders, like Dr. Verghese Kurian, like Dr. Manmohan Singh, that this government cannot bring itself to credit and to acknowledge. This government has an antipathy to the great Nehruvian nation builders like Dr. Kurian, but this antipathy and hostility to the Nehruvian nation builders must not get the better of good sense. Dr. Kurian founded IRMA, and as a proud son of Gujarat, Dr. Verghese Kurian's name must find place in this new university. Sir, they are trying to rewrite history, but those who try to rewrite history will never be forgiven by history.
Thank you.
History will never forgive those who rewrite history. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
A. 238 K. A.
Yes, go ahead.
माननीय सदस्य ने इस कोऑपरेटिव बिल को माइनॉरिटी और मेजॉरिटी के साथ जोड़ा है कि इसलिए वर्गीज कुरियन को इग्नोर किया गया कि वो माइनॉरिटी क्लास से हैं। ये सरासर गलत है और इसमें कोई सदस्य किसी अन्य सदस्य या लोकसभा के किसी सदस्य के विरुद्ध मानहानिकारक या अपराध में फंसाने वाले स्वरूप का कोई आरोप नहीं लगाएगा, जबकि आरोप लगाने वाले सदस्य ने सभापति और संबंधित मंत्री को भी इसकी पूर्व सूचना न दी हो, ताकि मंत्री उत्तर दिए जाने के प्रयोजन के लिए इसमें जांच की जा सके। ये सभापति जी इसको डिलीट करना चाहिए।
Honorable members, on this, whether this House can reflect on the conduct of persons who are not members of this House, there is a detailed ruling given by the chair. I will examine it in that perspective. It is on twofold situations. If there is anything which is inculpating the person or incriminating the person, then the mechanism is different. If it is assertion of a fact situation, then it is different. The matter will be examined. Shri Praful Patel.